Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're comparing two popular drones. The Holystone HS440, aka the Tiny Titan, and the TENSSENX GPS drone, aka the Sky King. Get ready for an in-depth look at these two contenders. First up, let's talk cameras. The Holystone HS440, or the Tiny Titan, comes with a 1080p HD camera and a 112 degrees wide-angle lens. According to reviewers, it's like having a GoPro strapped to a hummingbird, perfect for capturing those Instagram-worthy shots. On the other hand, the TENSSENX GPS drone, or the Sky King, features a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 120 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens. Reviewers rave about its Hollywood movie camera-like quality, ideal for capturing stunning aerial footage. Next, let's discuss battery life. The Holystone HS440 offers 20 minutes of flight time, which reviewers find sufficient for a quick and fun flying session. However, the TENSSENX GPS drone takes it up a notch with two batteries, providing a total of 52 minutes of flight time. Reviewers love this extended duration, equating it to a drone marathon, allowing for longer exploration and more comprehensive video shoots. When it comes to user experience and features, the Holystone HS440 is designed with beginners in mind. It has automatic takeoff, precise hovering, and a one-key high-speed rotation. Reviewers appreciate its simplicity, noting features like emergency stop and headless mode as particularly useful for new users. Conversely, the TENSSENX GPS drone is packed with advanced features such as GPS auto-return, follow me, and gesture control. Reviewers highlight these high-tech functionalities, making it suitable for more experienced users looking for a feature-rich drone. Both drones are foldable and come with carrying cases, which is a big plus for portability. The Holystone HS440 is compact and easy to carry around, making it perfect for those who like their tech small and mighty. Reviewers appreciate its lightweight design. The TENSSENX GPS drone is also designed to be under 250 grams, so no FAA registration is required. Reviewers find it convenient and hassle-free for travel and quick deployment. Reviewers generally find the Holystone HS440 to be a durable, easy-to-use drone that is perfect for beginners. Its camera and battery life are adequate for casual use. However, the TENSSENX GPS drone receives praise for its superior camera quality, extended battery life, and advanced features, making it a great choice for those who want more from their drone experience. So which drone should you get? If you're a beginner looking for something user-friendly and compact, go for the Tiny Titan, aka the Holystone HS440. But if you want top-notch camera quality, longer flight time, and all the bells and whistles, the Sky King, aka the TENSSENX GPS drone, is your best bet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Fly smart and buy smart.